Are you tired of teaching lessons with worksheets that get tossed aside? This 5-part story-driven curriculum turns scripture into an interactive game board, complete with cut-and-paste chronological picture cards. As students learn about the story of Balaam and his donkey, they build their boards and build understanding, section by section. Once this 5-hour lesson unit is complete, students tape together the 5 game boards and play a review game with a partner. Students move their donkeys around the boards, collecting stars and scepters by answering true or false questions from numbers 22 through 24. You might be wondering, why stars and scepters? Balaam's final prophecy points to Jesus as the star and the scepter. This powerful connection between the testaments is what sets this curriculum apart. As we help students uncover how Jesus is revealed in the Old Testament, ending with the question they'll come back to every time, what did I learn about Jesus today? Everything you need for this extensive curriculum unit is included. Full-color game boards, picture pieces, game directions, and question sets. Color coding activities and answer keys. Bible reference sheets and engaging worksheets. We believe in making Bible learning stick by making it fun. Just print, prep, and play.